Good day everyone. My name is Ralph O. Magduboy. So I'm gonna show you how to set up a QoS to TP-Link and ASUS router. So first things first is we're gonna read the instruction by Sir Torres. So scenario 1, in Computer Cafe, you have 20 units in the server. How are you going to manage the bandwidth? In scenario 2, you have a server that serves local and online clients. This server should take the high priority. There are local 20 clients that manage the system for our online access. How are you going to implement QoS using TP-Link and ASUS router? Your available bandwidth is 100 Mbps only. So let's go back to the TP-Link. So we go back to the emulator TP-Link. So that TP-Link that I use is Archer C6. So first we go to advanced settings and QoS. So as you can see, the QoS is enabled. So we check this box to enable the QoS and the upload bandwidth, which is 20. So as you can see, when we click the enable, we see the router that connect to our QoS. And so in the given by Sartorius, the scenario is we have 20 clients. So 20 divided by 100 is 5. So let's make it 5. Well, we put upload bandwidth 5. So this download bandwidth 2 is 5. And as you can see, we only prioritize set up QoS here. As you can see, and so make it sure that the TP-Link test or the type of router that or the type of device that show here is all priority. So you double check it if there's not priority, and if there's not, you click this and click it to make a priority. So it is priority now. So if all the device is priority now, we can save it. And if it is operation succeed, as you can see, operation succeed. So the all priority device has now an 5 Mbps, which is this, the upload bandwidth and the download bandwidth. So after we done here this router, we go to the ASUS router. So in this ASUS router, we go to the so this ASUS router is easy to set up. And first, we go to General tab and proceed with the Adaptive QoS. And as you can see, this table will show. This table is called Web Dashboard, and here is you can see the connected device of this router. And we can see the upload bandwidth is 10 or 36 and the download bandwidth is 38. So this upload bandwidth and download bandwidth will change drastically. And in this device, we can see the 1.56 Mbps or 15. So it can change also by the time or time to time. So we go to the QoS and you can see that the QoS is enabled. So what we're gonna do is to check the bandwidth settings, and the bandwidth settings is click in automatic settings because we have only 20 clients and 100 Mbps. But let's change it to manual settings. because we need to specify the upload bandwidth and the download bandwidth, because the limit of it is 20 clients and 100 Mbps. So let's edit it, the upload bandwidth and the download bandwidth. So let's edit it into 5, and the download bandwidth is 5. So it's the same to the TP-Link router we which we edit before. So once we edit the upload bandwidth, download bandwidth, we go to the apply. So if you click this apply, the Mbps or the device that connected to this router will use M5 Mbps, and the download bandwidth is 5 Mbps too, same in the QTP router. But if you click this apply, this is what will open up, because we don't have a specific router in this ASUS. So, and I make this video to demo, so we don't have a router that connect to the ASUS. So that's all, and thank you, goodbye, thanks.